Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve these two problems based on the concepts of continuity. So let's start with the one on the left side. So we are given a piecewise function g at x, which is equal to x plus 3 if x is not equal to 3, and 2 plus square root of k if x is equal to 3. And we have to find the value of k if g at x is continuous. We have to understand the concept of continuity for this problem. So a function is continuous if the limit value for that function at the x value is equal to the function value at that x value. So what I mean is, in this case, so that limit x approaches 3 and f at x should be equal to, in this case it's function g. So g at x equals g at 3. So there is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize for continuity. So this means that for the limit, we should use the equation x plus 3 because that's the equation when x is not equal to 3. So we get limit x approaches 3 and x plus 3 equals, now g at 3 is the function value at x equals 3, which is given to us as 2 plus square root of k. Now we can simplify the left side. We can evaluate this limit by substituting x as 3. So we get 3 plus 3 equals 2 plus square root of k. So this is the equation we have to solve to find the value of k. So first we add the 3's. So 6 equals 2 plus square root of k. Now we can subtract the 2. So we get 4 equals square root of k. And now to find the value of k, we should square both sides. So the square and the square root will cancel each other out. So we get k equals 4 square, which is equal to 16. So this should be the final answer for the first problem. Now we can analyze the second problem. So examine the graph f at x. Find f at 3. F at 3 means the value of this function f at x equals 3. So this blue curve represents the function f at x. We have to find the point on this function at x equals 3, and x equals 3 is here. And the point on the function is this blue point, which is separate from the curve. So at x equals 3, there is a hole on the curve. So the function value at x equals 3 is 2. So the answer for part A is f at 3 equals 2. So this is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize. Now we have to evaluate the left hand limit. So limit x approaches 3 from the left side for f at x. So that means we have to go along the curve towards x equals 3 from the left side. So as we go along the curve towards x equals 3 from the left side, the y value or the function value approaches 4. So we have to keep in mind, for limit, we analyze the behavior of the graph at that x value. It's not the function value at that x value. So it's not the point that we are interested in. We are interested in the behavior of the graph. So that's why the left hand limit x approaches 3 from the left side is equal to 4, because that's the y value when we approach x equals 3 from the left side. So now we can analyze part C. So is f of x continuous on the interval from -3 to 8? And the answer is no, because as we go along the curve from -3 to the right side towards +8, there is a hole on the curve or on the graph. So therefore, the graph is not continuous, or the function is not continuous. So the answer is no, and the reason is the hole on the graph makes it discontinuous on the interval -3 to +8. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.